everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I want to share with you some tips on how you can prepare for next Valentine's Day. I want to say hello to all of my new subscribers. Hello and welcome, and just want to let you know this is the time now, like the days after, especially the day after Valentine's Day. If you want to like sell gift baskets and flowers and stuff like that, this is the time to start getting stuff because it's 50% off. And in my Walmart, they're pretty much wiped out. Went there the day after Valentine's Day and they had a lot of stuff, but I didn't stop to look because I didn't want to be tempted. So I went back in there today and it was a nice assortment of stuff, enough for me to kind of just add a few things to my stockpile. So let me give you, I'm going to show you what I got 50% off at Walmart and at Dollar Tree. So by next year, I'm ready to go pretty much. I just have to get my flowers and I'll have them delivered a few days before Valentine's Day. Okay, so first off, we always get these. People like in my little gift basket, they like these little ones better than the big ones. So these are 62 cents. So if you're new, you're on a budget, you're just building your inventory, this is the way. This is the way. So I just got 4 and they expire May of 2024. So Valentine's Day next year is February of 2024, and they still have until May. And they're, as long as they're not open, they're still good for a while. So I got 4 of these. And the day after Valentine's Day, they had like boxes of them. People were just buying boxes of them. So, that's what you can do. So if you only get like 4, and they had the bigger ones like this too. I had them in my car, I put them back. I'm like, cause my emphasis is these are just side items, candy and stuff like that is on the side. So like maybe go to 2 or 3 Walmarts in your area, you might get a good 15, 20. Okay, and then these were pretty, and these are 50% off. The original, and these are good by July of 2024, next year. So I got these. And I bought some extras. The chocolate roses from Dollar Tree, I got a couple extra this year just so I can make sure I have some. And I may not, so I won't have to run out and try looking for some next year. So these were one something, like 115. I think the original price, they were like 3 something. These are gorgeous. So they're already in the box, in a little gift box. Okay, got 2 of those. And then, me and my flowers. So I got this pretty vase. It's gorgeous. And it didn't have the price on it, but it must have been about $5 because it rang up like $2.48. They have some at Dollar Tree. They're a little smaller, but I love this size. They had like a whole table of these vases, and then they had the flowers on the other side. And also, if you're into flowers, or if you want to, start experimenting with flowers, this is the time to get your floral arrangements and just start, making arrangements, because flowers are 50% off, and get the best looking ones you have, and start, making arrangements and seeing, how you can work things out. Okay, and then they had 3 big bins full of Valentine's Day teddy bears. They had big ones, medium ones, and small. And I got this one. I liked him. He's cute. But it does have 2023 on it. But that's not a problem. I put a little sticker on the next year. Put a little sticker on the feet. And I had a couple of these. And this is a Hallmark. And the original price, all this time I thought it was $9.98, but that's for Canada. It's here in the US it was $6.98. So I kept seeing, that's why I only got one So I said, I don't want to pay $5. But then, so I was surprised. So when I rang it up, it came up to like $2.40 something. But that's because in the US, it was already just $6 or something like that. Ooh, my vision is getting bad, like up close. So I only got one of this because I still have a few. I make sure I keep those little plushies that I get from Dollar General. I make sure I keep a few every year. And I stock up, but I make sure I always have some in stock. So this is a cute little medium-sized bear. So, okay, and then, so now they got most of their, oh, I forgot. Let me show you. They got a lot of their Easter stuff out. So they're going to have Easter gift bags out. And so these are the jumbo cello bags with a twist tie. It's the 28" by 30. And it's just 98 cents. So if you're new to gift baskets, unless you're doing hundreds and hundreds of baskets, I collect mine. Like this is the time of year you go to Dollar Tree, like Valentine's Day, they have them. I always grab 5 or 6 here and there, and if you have like $100 budget, get about 12 of these. That's $12. And then you get like these for 62 cents. Get your little bears. Okay. And then, okay, so here's Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree, all of like their chocolate candy boxes were gone, but they still have bags left. So these, you get 2-piece bags. I like the bags better. People like the bags better. So you get 2 for 62 cents. Got that. These are different patterns. 62 cents. All of that. Another set too. 62 cents. So a cute way, like on a budget, and I'm telling you, this works. If you're on a budget, you just want to start out. Hey, for next year, get a bag, put your bear in there, get you one of these, put a balloon. This is a one and done. Get it. Okay, do something like that. Charge $25. So that's how you do stuff on a budget. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. And from Dollar Tree, treat bags, 62 cents. They still have these. And they have 20, you get 20 treat bags and the ties in here. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. And then these have 25. Ooh, these fell out. And these, so you can just do treat. You got 20 in here, 62 cents. You can find a way to put a little bear and some chocolates in there, tie that up. Put that on the table with a balloon, and that will attract people for Valentine's Day. Okay, and then I have these. I use a lot of tissue in my gifts. So I got these for 62 cents. Okay, so just want to share with you that. Okay, in just 1 second. Okay, and then I got this because Easter is coming. So I got this little Easter balloon that can go into a gift bag for this year. Now these are $112 at what is it, at Walmart. They're $112. So if you can, you know, if you want to put little balloons in your arrangements, you know, here you go. At Dollar Tree, they're going to be $125. Is that a big difference? No. But if you're already in Walmart, you know you're going to put some balloons in your few of your baskets, you know, here they go. They got them in like a little bunny. They got the bunnies. They got a little like chick. So they're cute. Okay, guys, so just want to share that with you. I want to inspire you to build your inventory up on a budget. This is the time to do it. Okay, yes. All right, guys, so that's it. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new here, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, and then hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Because my analytics says most of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. You know, you get a lot of good information over here. All right, guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom.